In this video we will show you how to resolve heating problem in ultrasonic machine by changing contactor. First you will have to remove back cover of your machine. Note down the connection of wires given to the contactor before removing it. Now remove all the connections from contactor as shown in video. Now remove the contactor from machine. Now check continuity between terminals and resistance between A1 and A2 as shown here. If it does not shows any reading, then contactor is not working. Now replace contactor with new one provided by Doit Impex. Reconnect all wires of contactor as shown in video. If you are watching this video on Facebook, like the page, and if you are watching it on YouTube, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.